Hello guys and welcome back to Unlock Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to unlock both new gloves in the new PIM boss fight update pretty much. So let's get into the video. So if you guys want to go ahead and find out how to unlock the Marewarder Glove and the Static Glove, which Static Glove has a power of 50, speed of 14, and ability of distortion, and you need to only banish the Night Badge. And then for the Marewarder, has a power of 50, speed of 15, and ability to dash, lift, flare. And then you need to own the actual glove or the badge name, I believe, is called Unmasked. So pretty much in order to unlock both of these gloves, you essentially need to just complete the PIM boss fight. Now, if you guys want to know how to actually complete the PIM boss fight or how to, get to the PIM boss fight, go ahead and watch my previous video. I made a video on exactly how to do that. So once you got to complete the boss fight, you will unlock both of those gloves. So that should be pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.